Hey guys, what's going on? Mackenzie here with Lafontaine Classic Cars, bringing to you guys an absolutely stunning 72 C10 Super Cheyenne, guys. Super Cheyenne, what that means is this was the absolute Mac Dog loaded up truck you could get in the day. Absolutely stunning. It's been totally redone, a full rotisserie restoration, fresh paint, bright work, everything. Let me just show you guys. So now originally this would be a big black truck with the 402, and as you see in there, they swapped it with another big block, just a little bit bigger, a 454 crate motor. All over the place you see chrome plating. It's stunning. This is pretty much a show truck, guys. Take a look over here. We got original cruise control, power brakes, power steering down low, factory AC truck. Totally kick-ass under here. And as you see all over the place, look at it all shine, guys. The paint on the underside of this hood is better than the paint on the car I drive every day. Kick-ass, kick-ass. All right, I want to come around here, give you a quick peek into here. To guys, the Cheyenne with all this trim and this kind of shape, this is absolutely stunning. Guys, they went as far as chrome plating all the door latches, mechanism. Look at that down there. Totally beautiful. A black truck, red interior, probably one of my favorite combinations. As you got bucket seats, they even put a console in here out of the same period, K5 Blazer. Totally dig it, totally dig it. Everything is new in here, guys. This is too a factory high tunnel truck. Pretty rare, pretty rare. We'll come around to the back. Door closes like a glove. Look at this bed. Absolutely stunning. I hope you can see everywhere too. All the bright work is totally brand new, and it looks it too. Let's push this, seal up. Very nice. Totally dig this truck, man. You even got the spare tire under there as well. Alright guys, I'm jumping into the 72. I'm going to fire it up for you. And you guys are going to get a quick exhaust clip, and then we'll hit the street. Hey guys, what's going on? We're cruising the 72 C10 Cheyenne. One thing I love about this truck, like I mentioned before, guys, this beautiful red in here really pops off the black. I absolutely dig it. One thing super cool, guys, you really don't see a ton of these old trucks with AC. Look at the vents built into the dash. Super cool for back then. And then another really lovely touch they added here. We have a console out of a K5 Blazer that really kicks ass in here. Super nice touch, really good idea. I dig it. And then one thing too to note, guys, as well, this is a truck with the tach as well. And it is working along with all the other instruments, fuel gauge, oil pressure, voltmeter, speedo, all that. 3-speed in this truck shifts really nice. We've got just 51,000 miles on the odometer. No shakes, no rattles, no wind noise. Just a super smooth truck. Go ahead and kick on the AC for us. Instant ice cold. Really nice to have on a hot day. Inside the glove box, super clean, super tidy. Everything in this truck is brand new, guys. Don't forget it. Accelerates nice. 454's got plenty of power, trust me. And then you see here, we go down the road perfectly straight. This is a really nice done-up truck. Everything is been gone through. You buy this truck and you have to do nothing to it, guys. You don't have to worry about a thing. You jump in it, turn that key, and go have some fun. Very, very pleased with the fit and finish of this one. This big wood steering wheel in here is super sweet, very comfortable. This is a tilt column as well, guys. Another cool option to have. And as we mentioned before, a factory cruise control truck. Super cool. Super cool. Hard stuff to find, guys. We're coming up on a corner here in just a moment, and you'll see I won't even have to put any more fingers on this wheel. It's just smooth, 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 guys. Look at that. There we go, coming out the corner. Let's see what this 454 has got. Goes down the road super straight. There, guys. No shakes, rattles, nothing. This truck is tight and right, ladies and gentlemen. Super, super smooth. Takes bumps, handles it all very well. This is probably one of the only opportunities you're going to get to buy a brand new 1972 pickup in 2020, guys. This is super, super excellent. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching this video with us. If you have any questions or interested in this truck, my number is 248-904-5588. And I'll leave that along with my email down at the bottom of this video. And once again, thank you for watching. Thank you from Lafontaine Classic Cars. We'll see you.